Assalamu alaikum and hello to everyone. I hope you all are fine. Today I'm going to draw beautiful flowers, tulips. Tulips are very beautiful flowers. These flowers are usually large, showy and brightly colored. They are red, pink, yellow or white, usually in warm colors. Here I'm going to draw 3 or 4 different types of tulips: yellow, red or pink, you can say, purple. See, I'm drawing here outline with the pencil, and after that I use markers as well to give bright color. Hold the pencil at the back and give the light pressure. You have to give certain layers of colors step by step so that no white tooth will appear. It took me a lot of time to complete as this project is so long, but I liked it very much and enjoyed. See, I'm doing these leaves of the tulips with the marker, the outline of it. When these flowers bloom, they look best when planted as a carpet of color. You can see here I have made red, pinkish and reddish tulip, so attractive and colorful. Guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and smash the bell icon. Guys, as I have dedicated this video to my mother, so you also send this video to your mother. Show some love and care and get some duas from them. In this way, you always be successful in your life. You can see over here, as I have given certain layers to these flowers. Now I am drawing here drops of water to give the freshness. I'm drawing drops with the white pencil. Guys, these flowers are easy to make or draw as compared to other flowers like rose flowers. There are so many petals in rose flowers to draw, but these flowers are simple to draw. Now almost I have complete my drawing. You can see over here. Guys, please comment and give me your feedbacks because every comment is very important for me. And thank you very much for giving me such a positive response in my previous videos. If you like my video, please smash the bell icon and don't forget to send this video to your mother. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.